Hello folks, welcome back to another episode of CB Rebuilds. Today's a new project. We're going to be working on a 2014 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. It is a blue Jeep Wrangler and it had a little bit of body damage. The left front fender and the left door were damaged, so I got some replacement parts. And the parts I was able to source are black. The fender is a reproduction part. It is a black primered part. And the door is a OEM black door. So we're going to get this door ready to go on the Jeep and get the Jeep ready for its paint job. This Jeep's going to have a little bit different paint job. It will be Rhino Line or RAPTOR Line. The product we're going to use is RAPTOR Line. And to be able to keep a little bit of the original color, we're going to use tintable RAPTOR Liner today. And it will be metallic blue, so just like the Jeep. That we'll see going forward, so we need to go through and prep this Jeep. Alright folks, so you can see I wiped it down one time with the acetone and I blew it off with the air gun. Just trying to make sure that it's clean. Now I'm going to come back and tape off the areas I'm not going to paint, just so we don't have so much overspray. And then I'll come back one more time with the acetone and we'll be ready to paint the base coat. One thing that I'll be using to try to keep myself decently healthy is a respirator. When you're spraying base coat, and especially the clear coat, you need an organic style filter that will get rid of the organic materials that cause cancer or cause bad health. So this was a brand new kit. One thing that you have to remember, even if you have one of these masks, is that these cartridges with the activated charcoal, or the charcoal that make sure that you are filtered correctly, they do expire. So you need to make sure that you replace your filters. I think it's every 30 or 60 days. So just keep that in mind if you're using a mask. Even if you are using a mask, make sure that your mask filters are up to date so that you have the best filtration possible. So I'm going to open this, get the base coat, shake it up, and get ready to spray. I've got our lid removed off the base coat, and I've been shaking it up. I got my respirator ready to go, so I just got to flip it up and put the back half on around the back of my head, and then I think we're ready to go ahead and spray this door, the first coat. Alright, so I had a crack in my cap that was spraying paint out backwards. I'm sure you guys saw my confusion. But I went and got another spray nozzle from another can, and I'm going to get it set up and get ready to spray. Alright folks, back on the Jeep paint project. For me it's been a few days, for you it'll only be a few seconds, but since the last part of the filming I ran out of paint. Didn't have enough paint ordered because the cans are much smaller than normal spray paint cans. I didn't account for that when I was ordering the touch-up paint. We will be continuing to spray this door. There are 3 more cans still sitting in front of the heater, and if you're ever wondering what that little like hum noise is in the background of the videos, that is the poor audio quality because I just used the camera mic, but it's also a heater that's always running because it does get cold here in Ohio, so I like to keep it decently warm, especially for painting. So I want to throw my mask on. I just shook this can up. I'll shake it up just a little bit more, and we'll go back around to spraying some more of this door. Alright folks, so I think that's going to include the base coat. I didn't quite use that 5th can. There's a little bit left in it. I didn't think I needed to use it. You can see that you can really build color pretty fast. I'm not 100% sure this is going to be an exact match, but it'll be really nice when you open the door that it's not black. It's definitely the right color of body coat. So now we're going to let this dry out, and then we'll spray the clear coat. The clear coat is a 2-part in-can clear coat, so I'll show you guys how to mix that, and at least the instructions for the one I bought, and we're going to spray a couple coats of clear coat, and that should conclude what we're going to do for the jamming of this door before we get ready to spray this whole thing with bed liner. Alright folks, so the base coat is set up. It's just about dry. It's just a little tacky, which is okay for applying clear coat. The clear coat I got is this part right here. It's Clear Glamour. It should be a 2K clear coat. It has 2 parts, and you put this button in here and you press it on the bottom to activate it. So the first step to make this work is that you shake this up for 2 minutes. Then you take the red button out and you place the can upside down, and now we're going to activate it. So I've already shaken the can for 2 minutes, so now we're going to do the button. I suggest you put it on a table or something. Okay, so now we'll leave it like this for a couple seconds here. And now we need to shake it again for 2 or 3 minutes to get this to fully mix. So I've shaken this up. I'm going to put on my mask like you've seen me do before. And then it'll be time to spray this out. We'll probably just do 2 coats of this because I think that's all it's going to take. It's just a door jamb. It's not going to be something that's going to be exposed to the sun the entire life of this Jeep. And it won't see direct stone impact too often. One thing I wanted to say about the base coat is that it is a lacquer based base coat, touch-up paint for Mopar. I did order it from a Jeep specialty store online, and they had my color code I found in the door jamb, and that paint arrived. I ended up using 4.5 cans of the base coat touch-up paint to get this sprayed in, and that's everything you've seen. The 2 jams, or the jammer all the way around the door and the inside of the door, and the inside of the hood line. The rest of it will all be sprayed with the bed liner when we get there, but now we're going to get ready to spray the clear coat. Alright folks, one of the things I'm going to do before the paint totally dries is remove all the tape. If you let the paint dry to your tape, then you'll have a high chance of pulling your paint off with the tape. So I'm going to go ahead, put my gloves on and pull the tape off, and then we'll be done with this paint job. We just got to let it set up.